Hey guys, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Happy Kite Festival to you all. Our today's topic is that will you be able to get married with the person who you love, whom you love the most, or the person who is most on your mind, or your lover, whether you are in a relationship, in separation, your ex, your current or situationship, twin flame, soulmate, any person he can be or she can be. Will you be able to get married with that person in this lifetime, in this life? Okay, so we have three options in front of us. This is devil green color hairband. Okay, first option. This is second option, crown red color hairband, second option. This is third option, pink eye hairband. Okay, the first option, the second option, the third option. The first option is green devil hairband, the second option is red crown hairband, and the third option is pink eye hairband. You can pause the video, meditate on the video. If you don't understand how to choose, you can watch whole video. Okay, and still you are confused, close your eyes, open whenever your eyes stops, it is your reading. When you open your eyes, whenever your eyes first see the option, that is your option. Okay, so option 1, option 2, option 3. Will you be able to get married with the person you love in this lifetime? Okay, and please let me know by commenting, did you like these kites, small kites, and thread reel, thread spin, and this theme, kite theme? Please let me know. And did you like the charm, sorry, not charms, did you like this option while choosing, you are choosing any options, did you like these options? Please let me know. Okay, so let's go with the first option. Will you be able to do love marriage, or will you be able to get married with the person whom you love? Innocence, Knight of Swords, helpful people, and surrender to the divine in full moon. Okay, so for those who have chose this devil option, first option, devil hairband, you guys are very innocent people. Your person is also very innocent type of a people. Sorry, your person can be also very innocent type of a person. He might be have anger issue or aggressive person, but his heart is pure. He can be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini sign, and there are chance you'll get to get married with this person, but you need to ask for help from people, from others, from God, from divine, from angels, because you are quite innocent type of a person. There are chances you'll get married with your person, and he also wants to get married to you, but he was quite impulsive type of a person, aggressive type of a person. So you need help from the divine, or you help from the good friends, or help from the family members. You need helpful people or helpful angel, and you'll receive the help, but you need to surrender to the divine, and it is going to happen when the timing is right, in the full moon. You need to do full moon ritual as well. Lit up a candle or diya on full moon. Every month on full moon, light up a candle or diya, and just ask that blockages has been removed from your and your person's life to get married. Blockages or negative energies, negative people has been released to get married with your person. So those type of prayer you need to do on every full moon. With a candle or diya by lit up the candle. Okay, surrender to the divine, and on divine timing it is going to happen. You need to release the control and ask for the help from angel, of good friends, or from people. There are chances you'll get married with the love of your life, because you are very innocent type of a person. So this is the option 1. Okay, I'm doing short and quick reading so that you can know will you be able to get married or not. This is the option 2, red crown. Those who have chose this option, will you be able to get married with the person you love? Healing, 10 of Pentacles, take action, don't let pride get in your way. So two type of scenario I am feeling. Those who have chose this person pile, I think you are already married with the person you love. First scenario is that you are already married, but you are still checking out this reading. So you are already married with the person you love, Second group of people which I am feeling, there is healing is going on with you and your partner, and some sort of pride, ego, family status, money, career, or third party situation issue is there in this pile. You can be a Leo sign, or your person can be a Leo sign, or else Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn sign your person can be, or you can be. So currently healing is going on with you or with your person, or with both of you, and you need to take action. There are chances you'll get married with this person, but you need to take action, and don't let pride get in your way. This is the message for your person or for you. If pride and ego is not coming in your way, then there are chances you'll see the result in August month. It means in full moon in Leo. It means in Leo season, August month, you'll see some sort of result or some sort of light in this situation. So don't let pride get in your way. This is the message for you or your person. In August month you will see the result, but you need to take action, or your person needs to take action. Both needs to take action because of some situation, maybe caste issue, religion issue, career issue, money issue, status issue, some sort of difference is there. So, or whether you or your person is married or something like that, or some of you child is involved, parents are involved, your person is in already a different marriage, third party involvement. So healing is going on for that person or for you. Take according to your situation, whether you are married or your person is married. But there are chances, if you and your person take action and don't let pride and ego come into your way, there are chances you will get married with your person and have a happy life like this 10 of Pentacles. And yes, there are chances you'll be able to get married with the person you want, a person you love, or person is on your mind. But healing is going on, so give some time. It might take some time, but wait till August month. Okay, you'll see some hope or results or light, but you both need to take action. Okay, please do some manifestation and affirmations if there is any issue or status. Sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm fumbling a lot. Maybe your or your person's throat chakra is blockaged or blocking by someone. See, that is why healing is going on. Blue color also I am feeling. This hand also I am feeling. So some sort of blockages was there, or somebody is blocking your connection. So healing is going on with that person. Maybe throat chakra healing and root chakra healing, or also crown chakra and third eye chakra healing. Depends on the person to person. So healing is going on basically. So you both need to work, you both need to take action, you both need to release your ego and pride, and you both need to do some affirmation and manifestation. If you are not in touch with your person, then you can also do positive affirmation and manifestation. Keep on doing it, okay? Continue doing it. Some positive affirmations, rituals, and manifestation, and you will see the result, but it will take time. But there are chances you get married with the person whom you love. And for some of you, I am feeling that you are already married with the person you love, and some of you I am feeling you'll get married with the person you love. There are chances, but keep on manifesting and attracting that person in your life. Okay, now let's see the third person who have choose this pink eyes hairband. Let's see, will you be able to get married with the person you love in this lifetime? The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. Reconsider. Justice. Courage. Wow. I think those who have chose this pile, you have struggled a lot. Lot of mixed messages I am getting in all the three piles, and lot of quite of similar messages I am getting in all the piles. Some sort of messages are similar. See, you have struggled a lot in this lifetime. You are a very bold and courageous person, and you have if you can see, this flower is coming out of the stone. So you are very living with the person who has been very cold-hearted, your person or you, or it can be a cold-hearted person, or the people around you or your person can be cold-hearted, and you have been so strong and so nice, that you have the courage, you have the boldness, to fight against the odds. So your tough cycle is going to end. You have struggled a lot in life. The end of a tough cycle approaches. So you are going to get married with the person you want, because your karmic cycle struggles, your strongness, your patience are going to give you fruits, and the tough cycle is going to end in Capricorn season this year, or maybe next year, January. Till next year January, you'll see the result, and you'll get the justice, and you'll be able to get married with the person you want, because you have struggled a lot, you have worked hard, you are still working hard, and you are going to see the result, and there are chances you'll get justice. If you want to get married with that person and just want justice, that way you'll get justice. So basically justice is that you are going to get married with the person you want, because you have struggled a lot, you have worked hard, you have manifested a lot also. I am feeling you have attracted this person, you have manifested, you have been doing positive affirmation, something you are doing, prayers, meditation, and your work is paying off now. You see the flower in this stone, the flower, how this flower is blossoming. So you have worked on a heart chakra, you have worked on your heart chakra, you have worked on healing your person or yourself. So it is going to benefit you and your person. You are going to get married with the person you want, but timing might be some differ. Maybe you are feeling that it is quite slow, it is quite late, it is not happening soon. So it will happen late, but don't worry, justice will be served. You will get married with the person you love, but you need to reconsider your question. You sure you want to get married with the person you want? Because you are only putting efforts, and this person has not put any effort. Whether you are healing him, whether you are being positive, whether you are attracting, doing prayers, meditation, you have only done the work. This person has not done the work. At the end, your wish will be fulfilled. Whatever you wish, justice will be served in your favor. But you need to reconsider the question. You sure you want to get married with the person you are thinking about? You are working hard for this person, and that person is not doing anything. Then you should reconsider the question. Okay, this is for some of you. Otherwise, yes, there are chances after a lot of struggle and approaches, you are going to get married with the person you want and with the person you love, because some type of cycle is ending. Your person can be Capricorn sign, strong Libra sign. I am also feeling strong Libra, Capricorn. And even if you feel like still I don't want to reconsider this question, I want to get married with this person, you are going to get married, don't worry, and you'll get justice by marrying that person. Okay, so my people, beautiful people, you are very beautiful and strong and kind people, strong hearted, strong willed, strong powerful person, kind hearted people. You are loving people. You are feeling, I am feeling you are loving people, those who have chose this pink color hairband. So yes, you are going to get married with the person you love. All right. I hope you guys have got your answers. This is a quick reading, short reading, so that you can know what is the answer, like will you get married or not with the person you love or want. And I hope you liked my reading. I hope you liked this theme and decoration. I hope you liked this options as well. Thank you so much. Let me know if you want to get a personal reading. My details in the description or comment box. You can follow me on Divine Energy Tarot on Instagram, and please like, share, subscribe. Please like, share, subscribe. Please do some energy exchange. Okay, and please appreciate me also. Try to motivate me also. I love it when people comment, like, share my videos and appreciate me. I really love it. Thank you so much, guys. And please do let me know how did you like this decoration and this pick a option, pick a choice. How did you find it? Okay, thank you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. Love you all. Bye bye. Mwah.